Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a VR to share with you all today. Project share in VR, if that's even possible. I don't know. Anyway, it's been a while since I made a recording, so I just wanted to get on here and share what I made for Chiquita'S Crochet, her birthday challenge giveaway. If you guys check out the link below for the details. And this is what I created for her. Chiquita loves nature. She loves flowers and butterflies and all that pretty stuff and natural things. So my memory decks, I wanted to also incorporate fall. Now it doesn't look like fall, but the flowers were made from fall colors. So this is what they look like. There are 3 different paper 12 by 12 papers from the same paper collection. So to me this looks like fallish. You got the burnt red and the mustard colors, and then you have blues and yellows in this collection, and a little bit of green. So I put these all on my Cricut and I cut each paper to different size flowers. So I just used the flowers after rolled them, and I added a Dollar Tree butterfly along with some Dollar Tree happy birthday stickers that I received in my birthday challenge giveaway. So this is the large butterfly from Dollar Tree. Those die cuts everyone hauled. Let me share with you what they look like. So it's from the blue-green collection. And I received this from Louisa. And these are gorgeous. So I used 2, and I backed, they're 2 of the same size butterflies, and I backed it on the back here. It's the same butterfly that's on the front. I also went ahead and took all the flowers and layered them on there like a, you know, those flower walls that we see in the photo props and stuff. So I made her a flower wall, and on the centers I used some of my beads from my stash in the centers, and I also used some bling from Walmart. You can see there. So the beads are majority of them are from Hobby Lobby. I also used 3 of the different size butterflies from the Dollar Tree die cuts. So from this pack, they all came from that pack. So there's 1 layer here, and then there's tulle in between. It has that little sparkle right there, and I thought that would be fun to layer in between them, and it gives them some kind of like a false movement, you know what I mean? I didn't use glue, I just used my sewing machine to stitch them together, stitch them down the middle. And then I left some of the threads long so that you could see, like, I don't know, like the antennas of the butterfly. So you have that on the front. I added a little paper ruffle also on the bottom, and these are hearts from the same happy birthday sticker set from Dollar Tree. And I just put 2 little hearts down here. I also added random little teeny tiny butterflies from June Lanham. She had gifted this to me prior to my birthday giveaway. And look at how delicate they look on top of the flowers. So here's one, and then here's another one down here. It's a yellow butterfly. And then down here I have a green one. It's right here in the corner. So I thought that looked so adorable. Look at all of those flowers on 1 memory decks. So I just added the happy birthday on the wings of the butterfly because I didn't want to take away from the flowers, because you also could see the butterfly on the back side. So I'd rather put the happy birthday in the front. So these will wear out the stickies, but I added some glue to the backs of the stickers. So in time the sticky here will go away because it's not very strong adhesive on those things. So anyway, I took this pen that I received in some Happy Mail. Excuse me. It also has a very, very fine tip. So that's why I'm using that pen. And I went around the edge of the back of my card like stitches. So you have, see here, a dash and dot. And then I took another piece of scrapbook paper and I folded it in half, almost similar to like a matchbook style, to hide my info. Okay, and then I added a cupcake sticker here from the happy birthday sticker set. I just took one of the cupcakes and put it on there. And then to keep it closed, I added a little pop dot, and it's easily opens and closed. And then I just added all my info in there. But on this side, I wrote a little smile with the little hearts, and I thought that was perfect, and it stays closed, so it won't accidentally just fall open. So if she wanted to look at the back, it's perfectly fine because you won't see any info on there. I also did the line dot details on the card on the outside, and I just wrote hello friend. So that's what my Memory Decks card looks like. And what I'm giving her is the little cup of kindness, and I shared this on a previous video. And I also put my label on there on the bottom of the cup. I did these chipboard stickers from Target. These are like several years old, and I just took my Crochet and punched a hole and put a grommet through and just tied it to the top of the bag with the bow or with the ribbon. So I shared several of the chipboards with her, the chipboard stickers with her in the cup, and then I decorated this on a previous live on my Instagram. So that's what I'm going to send to Chiquita, this cup of kindness and my Happy Birthday Memory Decks card. And I also have a card, just a little note for her, and I will be throwing in those little flowers into her box. So thank you all for watching. Please go check out Chiquita'S link down below in the description box, and all the details for her giveaway are on her video. So go check her out. I think there's still a lot of time to enter, and let's support Chiquita. She's so supportive in our little community, and show her some birthday love, guys. So I'll see you all next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.